I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a...
What's up? Yeah, so guys, as you have seen the thumbnail, so today the video is very new and I'm going to do some cooking. Like now I'm going to make Dalgona coffee. It's really like popular in TikTok, YouTube, and it's very nice, I think. So let's try that. But before we get into the video, guys, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you are not, and click this bell icon. So guys, we're gonna start this video in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So guys, now we have bought all the things we need to make the coffee, and here first we have instant coffee. Remember to take only like instant coffee, like I would do. Like that. Yeah. Focus. So we're gonna take instant coffee right here, and I wanna take from some of sugar, like some sugar and a glass to add and mix, and of course a whisk like thing to mix it. And also you need hot water. I'll make hot water and come back. Stay tuned. Our water in the oven. So let's on the oven. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set like 1 minute here. And let's do like start. Guys, after it's hot, let's come back to the video. Like 10 seconds is left. Yes, now we have some hot water here. Like it's very steaming, so let's start. First we have to add a little bit of coffee powder in the mixing bowl or a glass here. I'm gonna add some of it. First, this out. Yeah, I'm gonna add some of it. Add the same amount of sugar and same amount of the coffee powder. So let me add a little bit. It's too much, then we should add the sugar. So guys, now let's close this. We have added a little bit coffee powder. We can add how much you want. I'm gonna add like a 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can add by taste how much you want. Like that. I'm gonna add a little bit, still more. You should do this process very fast so that I have added 5 to 6 spoons like. And now we have to add a little bit of water and try to whisk it. Okay, so let's whisk. We should do this whisking like for some minutes, like 10 to 12 minutes continuously. If you have a mixer or a beater, then you can use it. Like I'm doing this very fastly, so I'll come back after it's done. Guys, you can't believe it's like changing color from black to brown. Like it's added some light. Yeah, it's changing the color, guys. And so let's beat it fast, and I'll see you. So guys, this mixture is turning thick by thick, and see, you can see like this. It's really changing the color. Like it's already focused, so it's really changing color, guys. And you should beat it until it becomes like whipped. Okay guys, so let's after it becomes whipped. After like 10 to 15 minutes, it's like it became very thick. The consistency is very good. So let's bring the milk and pour it. So guys, I'm back with the milk, and Here's some milk. You can add ice. You can drink hot milk or cold. Now let's add the mixture. So I'm gonna add it on it like this. It's like real success, guys. Very nice and very easy, not that hard to whisk, but if you have a mixture it's more easy to do. So wow, looking very tasty and yummy. I would quickly bring a spoon and mix it up. So guys, now I'll show you the final look. Oh my Dalgona, it's really nice, guys. So now guys, I have still more of this mixture. You can add another cup or add in this the same mixture. You can use it after some time, but not many days. Can't keep it for many days. Should use it all. So it's very nice. Made it. Guys, this really works. Dalgona coffee. I've seen it on TikTok for many times, and I have tried it now. It's like really cool. Now I'll bring a spoon quickly. So let's go. So guys, now we have bought the spoon and let's mix this yummy, tasty Dalgona. Guys, believe it or not, it's really like, don't eat the mixture on the top, okay? Let's mix it. It should be nice to mix it. Don't drink it without mixing. If you mix it, will be more nice texture and nice taste of the milk will change, and it's really nice, guys. Just try it out in your home if it's possible. In quarantine, it's the best to do. And let me taste it. Mix it more nicely. Mix it. I mixed it very nicely. It's like all Dalgona. It still mix nicely. Let me mix it. Mix it quick. Guys, after I mix for 5 minutes, it will be all mixed. So then let's continue the video. All mixed. So let me taste it now. Yummy, guys. It's very yummy, very much tasty. And guys, for the part of the conclusion, the video ends right here. And please try this Dalgona out. It's really nice. It's really working. If it's not, then comment down below what's your mistake. I'll tell that in the comments. And please guys, support us and comment down what should we do next, and comment was this nice. And please like this video right here, like symbol is right here, and share and subscribe and click the bell notification to get notified when we upload new videos. So see you all next time in a very wonderful video like this. Till that time, stay home, stay safe.